What if I tell you that you don't need an hour, a gym or fancy gear, just 5 minutes, a pair of dumbbells, and a little space to move with me? I'm here to tell you and show you how strength over 50 is not only possible, it's powerful. Roll your shoulders, take a deep breath, and let's shake up those muscles together. Let's move for freedom, energy, for confidence, and for that amazing feeling that I did it. 5 minutes of active movement. You watch, you repeat. Every exercise I'm going to do it for 10 times. I'm going even to count. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, I have moved 5 minutes with intention. I have woken up my intersections and I have done a few exercises to strengthen my muscles. Now the next question is what I'm going to eat today. Keep watching and you'll find that my plate is not going to weigh me down, but it's going to fill me up. Keep watching.